First of all, please switch on cameras, switch on your cameras, and now I'm going to give you the topic of Saturday. As you know that it is Saturday today. राजेश जी सर गॉट अच्छा बताऊं क्या तेरे को मैं भी
Sir, greatest of all time.
यार एक बात है इंडियन टैलेंट का तो कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं है देयर इज नो मैच ऑफ इंडियन टैलेंट सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू टुडेस टॉपिक and today you have to speak about the migration of birds. So I think you are ready for it. Migration of birds.
मैंने अपना नाम लिख दिया है.
Now you have to write down your name in the message box and nothing else. Hurry up so that I can start today's class. Hurry up.
सर आप पाकिस्तान से थोड़ी लड़ते हो.
Oh, please stop it. This big rivalry or क्या है? What is this? Write down your names. Otherwise, I am calling your names. Hurry up. Stop this.
सर मैंने लिख दिया आपने.
कहाँ है लिख दिया? दिखे किसको? बीच बीच में तो ये पता नहीं क्या क्या करते जा रहे हैं.
बात तो सही है.
फिर यार फटाफट नाम लिखो. नाम के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. चलो बिगड़ गए छोरे छोरी यार. जल्दी नाम डालो अपने अपने. क्या करें इनका. यस या अब कोई फालतू का कमेंट नहीं आएगा बिल्कुल भी. फिर आ गए तुम्हारे. मैं बताता
सर
हूँ
मेरा पहले आता ना.
Okay, so I am starting with Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Sir, attendance.
वो मैं कर दूंगा चिंता मत कर तुम. आजकल तो
सर मेरा नाम पहले आया है.
तेरा नाम बाद में आया है भी. अब चलो कम ऑन रक्षित. रक्षित स्टार्ट करो. रक्षित स्टार्ट करो. रुक जा 1 मिनट जरा. तेरा नाम भी बाद में लिखा हुआ है. गौरव ऑलराउंडर. हाँ रक्षित कम ऑन. और सुनो ध्यान से अब सारे
Yes, sir.
सुनो
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm telling on the topic that is migration of birds. As you all know that one of the greatest mysteries of birds' life is the migration that they do in their life. And the migration of the birds is a mystery because they travel far places without having any direction or map, and also not having any compass, but still they go to some places and come to that place after some months, and
come back.
so okay sir, come back to the places from that they had started, and in this journey they face many difficulties also, like they face many hardships such as storms which sir उड़ा के ले जाना sir क्या बोलेंगे.
blow
Okay sir, which blow them away and prevent them to complete their journey, and also at night many bright colors, many bright lights confuse and distract them from their destination, and they from the early winters and in autumn they start their journey and come to the southern warm places and from the northern cold places, and after spending some months in the southern region they go back to the northern regions, and they do this journey without any help of compass or anything, and they complete this journey sir एक बार में sir
in a time,
so without taking any rest, and they cover a lot of distance like 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers, and the speed from which they travel is between 48 to 64 kilometer per hour, but sometimes very very rarely it reaches 80 kilometer per hour.
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
and in this journey they fly over many hills, forests, plains, plateaus,
Hmm.
and deserts,
Hmm.
and many water bodies, etc.
Hmm. शाबाश
And so
शाबाश
sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया ऐसी कोशिश करो बस थॉट्स को पकड़ के रखो है ना शाबाश एंड यस दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ रोहित
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about migration of birds. Migration of birds is the greatest mystery of of this world because birds travel from the northern regions of Asia, America, and Europe to the southern places before the starting of winter and come back before the starting of summer season. This is greatest mystery because they travel far distances without any compass and comes back to their place with the covering the same distance with the same places. So
शाबाश शाबाश
this is a great mystery because they don't have compass and any Google navigation like we have. They are very punctual because they do not forget to come to their place on time. Sometimes while traveling on a while traveling through sea bodies, some hardships come in their way, like storms blow them to the far places, and which leads to their death sometimes. And sometimes they are also drawn into the water, and this also leads to their death. So they face many difficulties in traveling from one place to another. But if they
डोंट
do not travel from one place to another, then they will die at that place because they cannot tolerate much cold. So in this way they travel from one place to another. In their way they are also deflected by the beam of lights, which are created by humans, and the human aids hurt them a lot. Because most of the time we only create the difficulties for birds. And as you all know that birds travel with a good speed, but sometimes due to some natural calamities their speed decrease, and sometime and normally they fly at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour to 60 kilometer per hour, and really exceed 80 kilometer per hour speed. So this is the greatest mystery about birds, and scientists are trying hard to know this mystery. That's it, sir.
वेरी बढ़िया शाबाश यस कम ऑन हर्ष
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is migrating of birds. There is
माइग्रेशन
a great migration of birds. There is a greatest mystery about the migration of birds, that how they travel so far distances without having any navigator or compass who navigates them or tell them the direction,
नहीं विच थोड़ा फोकस
which
करो
tell
चीजों पे हाँ
them direction. But in the sum in autumn and early winters, the birds migrate from one place to another, like they migrate from Asia, Europe, and America to the southern warmer places like Africa, because their body cannot tolerate the extreme cold. And um, and when the winters pass on, starting summers, and in spring they again go to the place from there they have came, like Africa to Asia, Europe, and America. And they are very punctual unless they are delayed by natural calamities like
Shabash. Very good. Huh.
like like dust storms, or when they are flying over oceans, the waves change their way, and they can also die in this way. And when they fly over high hills, mountains, and mountains, then they can uh, then they can lose their they can then they can get out of their course and can be delayed. But the bright lights of the stars and sun and created by humans distract and confuses them. The normal speed of birds is 48 kilometer per hour to 65 kilometer per hour, uh, and it rarely exceeds 80 kilometers per hour.
Shabash.
That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes. Now, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Morre, and today's my topic is the migration of birds. The biggest mystery about birds' life is their migration. Uh, uh, in a, in early winters and during early winters and autumn season, they migrate uh, from northern parts of Asia, America, Europe to the southern parts, which are warmer for their life. And there are many types of uh, uh, and so there are many types of hazardful situation in this migration. Like many times uh, they have to face the rivers, hills, in which sometimes they get drowned due to some things, and sometimes due to the night bright lights. Sometimes they confuse and uh, they get distracted from their groups, and they migrate with the speed of usually with a speed of 48 kilometer per hour uh, to 60 kilometer per hour, but rarely it reaches to about 80 kilometer per hour. And during this my sorry so and they are very punctual of their time, but sometimes they are also delayed due to some natural calamities, such as storms, cyclones, etc. And uh, and uh, and sometimes they are also uh, distracted from the high beams of stars, suns, etc. So, in my view, it is one of the greatest mysteries that a human being can't solve. That's it.
Ah, shabash. Very good. Yes, my dear all-rounder. आजा. ये
Hmm.
तगड़े तगड़े खटके हैं
Yes,
इनके. चैंपियन है ये
yes,
सारे
sir.
के सारे. आजा बेटा, शाबाश. आजा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Gauramina and I'm a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. My today's topic is migration of birds and their journey in the middle of migration. In they start their journey from the north, and they had a plan to travel to the south in early winters. So they start their journeys in autumns or early winters, and they are also they faces many calamities and many problems like storms, rain, and winds, heavy winds, and also sir oh, and other natural calamities. And from that, and after facing these things, they reach cities. In cities there are many harmful things for them, like the radiation causes by the mobile tower, and they are also affected. Their brain is and their direction senses are deflected or
आराम से बोल शाबाश बिल्कुल हाँ, आराम से फोकस कर थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल सांस ले लेके बोल आराम से हाँ
also sometimes the radiations harm their signal, means brain signals, that from that they communicate that where to go. So from mobile towers, the mobile towers also affect their brains and eyes, and sometimes some birds get died from the mobile towers radiations. And if some are saved from that, so in the southern coastal areas there is more humidity than these northern areas, and the humidity means more hot in the southern areas. So if they are living they are the birds species is of north, so if they migrate to the south, they will face problems like they have to sorry, evolve by the climate, and they have to train then and to maintain their and to adapt the climate of them, because birds in the north have much big and furry feathers, and in the south birds there are less feathers and cooling systems and ventilations to their body to keep their body cool, so they have to make their feathers less, and after the migration in the early summers they go to the north side back and adapt their climate, and this is very difficult life because they have to migrate every season to different places. That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा नाइस स्पीकिंग वेरी गुड बेटा बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड कोमल सब सुनो ध्यान से अच्छे से जितना हो सको उतना बोलने की कोशिश करना बस बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है ना हाँ कोमल आ जा बेटा
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bhairava and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today my topic is migration of birds. We all know that we are human beings and we can feel all our nature's beauty, and we all know that our nature is also beautiful and very necessary for us, and in the nature there are different types of things which are very beautiful, and they are very helpful for us, and all living things and non-living things are also beautiful and increase our nature's beauty also, like trees, mountains, human nature, birds,
शाबाश
and
आराम
ocean,
धीरे धीरे बोलो
soil,
सब
air,
समझेगा बेटा हाँ
etc.
बेटा शाबाश बेटा बोल
Yes, sir. And birds are one of them. Birds are very beautiful and increase our nature's beauty also. And there are different types of birds, and they live in different play areas and countries, and their life is also their life is full of struggle, and
बहुत बढ़िया
they live their life uh with सर ट्रांसफर को क्या बोलेंगे
शिफ्टिंग ट्रांसफर मतलब इधर से उधर जाना विद माइग्रेशन कर दो
yes sir they live their life with migration, and they birds shifting their with the family because of many different seasons, and we all know that but one of the greatest mystery is the birds migration, and birds m- and birds birds life is traveling in every year and different seasons, different seasons in summer, in winter, and autumn, and also uh, spring and winter, and we all know that they do this work to save their life and also their family's life. And birds travel northern part like America, Asia, to the southern part, because in the northern part there is much cold, so they come to the southern part.
Very good.
And they do their journey again in the summer season.
डू की जगह मेक
And
लगा
they
सकते, दे मेक देयर जर्नी। हाँ, आगे बोलो।
Yes, sir. And they face many problems and dangers also.
शाबाश।
And their migration speed is 48 to 64, but their rarely speed is 80. They distract their direction because of many problems like bad weather, high mountains, heavy air, and sometimes suddenly storms, and bright lights, and many different things. And they do they have to do settlement for their life, and to food, and also many different things. And birds are very punctual for their migration. And birds are very uh, birds are very beautiful for our nature. That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बस ऐसे कोशिश करो। यस, नाउ यामिनी।
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा।
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sauk. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is the migration of birds. So, this is so interesting theory and mysterious also, because no one can solve this theory how the birds travel. Big scientists, researchers, and also humans try to solve it, but they can't. The birds come northern areas to southern areas by flying, without any instrument, maps, compass, etc. We all know that everyone maintain their body temperature. And every people have their suitable temperatures. Sometimes people save their bodies by putting sweaters and by on AC and use coolers. But the birds saving their bodies by traveling one area to another area. By this way, they maintain their body temperature. So this is the reason for traveling. Traveling for birds, one place to another place. In the northern areas, birds come the southern areas in the season of end of autumn and early starting of winters. They come towards the southern areas. In the mid of way, they face so many problems, like big hills, top of hills, mountains, stretched seas, and long rivers, etc., etc. Although these all things, they they do not distract and fly continuously, and they correctly receive reach on that place where they
बोल।
where they reached before. So the birds are so mysterious. Sometimes the birds are distracted by storms, heavy air, and At night, they are distracted by bright lights, which is come from
which comes,
lighthouse.
is क्यों लगा, which comes, ध्यान से बोलो.
Okay, which comes from lighthouse, ships, boats, etc. The birds are so punctual. They know when they have to go back, so that when their time is come from going back,
फिर is क्यों
they
लगा रहे हो?
okay sir, they go back in the season of ending of spring in and early summer. So the birds are
क्या हुआ? डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई दिखती है. क्या हुआ बेटा? चलो कोई नहीं, चलो तुम आओ वैष्णवी. कबीर भी नहीं होगा अगर ये डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई है तो. हाँ आवाज, हाँ बोलो आवाज आ रही है. कहाँ चले जाते हैं बीच बीच में एकदम से? हाँ
पता नहीं अपने आप ही डिस्कनेक्ट हो
कंटिन्यू कर बेटा, कैरी ऑन करो बेटा, कैरी ऑन करो बेटा.
गया. So the mystery of birds are so complicated. Thank you sir, that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख बेटा, वर्ब फॉर्म का है ना. हाँ यस, कबीर साहब.
Yes, sir.
आओ साहब. हाँ
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is birds.
माइग्रेशन ऑफ बर्ड्स.
Migration of birds. As we all know that the biggest mystery of the world is how birds fly in the sky. So many scientists and humans search in this case, but they सर उनको कुछ नहीं मिला का मतलब.
But they get nothing.
But they get nothing about the flying of birds. So the birds fly one place to another place for save their life.
To save their life. आराम से बोलो. हाँ.
To save their life. As we all know that we are human beings and we save our life by wearing sweater in winter and start AC and coolers in summer. Same way the birds go one place to another place to maintain their environment. Birds go southern to northern and come back northern to southern.
उल्टा बोल दिया, आगे बोल.
Oh, so they go to north, they go to southern in early winter and come back to northern in early winter.
नॉर्दर्न रीजन्स या एरिया. आगे बोलो.
Sometimes in the midway they face many problems like sudden storms and top hills, etc. Sometimes they die and sometimes they die and sometimes they survive that condition. So the life of birds is very struggleful. They face many problems like we all use internet, and the internet harm the birds, which by which sometimes birds die and sometimes birds become very सर कमजोर पड़ जाने को क्या कहते हैं?
वीक.
Become very weak. And birds is The most mysterious thing is that birds can fly, but the human cannot fly. Yes, sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो बेटा, है ना? यस.
Okay, sir.
वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today again we have a speaking session,
शाबाश.
and the topic is migration of birds.
हाँ.
First of all, I'm telling about the meaning of migration. The meaning of the migration is move one place to another place, and one of the greatest mystery of the bird is traveling, and they face many lots of problems like
हाँ.
thunderstorm
हाँ.
and high top of hills
हाँ. हाँ. शाबाश.
and
आराम से बोल, तसल्ली से बोल बेटा, धीरे धीरे. अच्छा बोल रही है, ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे, तसल्ली से, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. हाँ बेटा.
and bad weather, etc. And sometimes they are confused because the bright light comes in their eyes in the night.
हाँ. हाँ.
And they become so confused at the night,
हाँ.
and they travel in the northern place to southern place.
From northern place to southern place. Southern place. हाँ. Southern place. हाँ बोल.
Northern place to southern place, and and they travel many countries like America, Russia, etc. And the migration speed is 40 to 46 kilometer, and the highest speed is 80 kilometer.
हाँ. शाबाश, बोलती रहे.
80 kilometer. And the birds are so punctual, and they are delayed. They are delayed
Because of
bad weathers. Yes, so that's it.
Okay, ठीक है. ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो बस. Yes, now. आदित्य, कराटे चैंपियन. आजा बेटा, आजा मेरे चैंपियन, आजा. अच्छे से बोलना, थोड़ा फोकस करके.
यस सर.
बाकी के लोग नाम डालो अपने. हरी अप. यस, बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is migration of birds. As we all know that now we see so many birds, and those birds come here other country.
From other countries, हाँ.
Yes, sir. And why? Because some nowadays some countries make very cold countries.
Are cold countries. In winter, some countries are so cold.
Yes, sir.
ब्रेक तो बनाना होता है, वो कैसे हो जाएगा? हाँ, आगे बोलो.
And birds search a hot area.
ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोलो तो जल्दी से. हाँ.
And birds face so many problems in the sky. Like they face thunder and any so very big tornado. I think network towers and bright lights, etc. Nowadays, nowadays, Russia, uh, Russia's birds came here because
nowadays are coming here.
yes,
Work from home हो
are coming here because in the Russia, because Russia is very very cold country, and nowadays it's nowadays in India summer start. So the Russians birds are coming here.
ऐसे शाबाश ऐसे कोशिश करेगा तो ठीक हो जाएगा हाँ घबराया मत हाँ बोल
And the scientists research on these birds because they सर वो जानना चाहते हैं.
they want to know
They want to know why these birds come here and there.
बहुत बढ़िया ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से हाँ
So this is a very big mystery. At last, I want to say that this is not easy work. This is very hard work to go here to there. Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया ऐसे बोला अगर धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से अब ठीक हो काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट होने लग गया है तेरे अंदर है ना यस नाउ आ जाओ बाकी के भी तो बहुत सारे रह रहे हैं नाम डालो फटाफट से कम ऑन दोनों खुशी लक्ष्मी हाँ
सर लक्ष्मी और खुशी में हम मतलब हम दोनों बस में हैं तो हमें तो टाइम लगेगा जाने में
ओके बेटा ठीक है बेटा ओके चलो सुनते रहो आप लोग है ना रश्मि हाँ रश्मि आओ बेटा
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmina. My topic is migration of birds. The world's greatest mystery is traveling.
शाबाश आराम से बोलना बेटा बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से सांस नहीं बोलना चाहिए बिल्कुल भी आराम से बिल्कुल सांस ले लेके तसल्ली से जैसे बात करती है नॉर्मली ऐसे बात लिखना बोलना है बस बोल
Anyone don't know how do they travel such distance?
आराम से सांस ले लेके बोल तसल्ली से हाँ
Such distance they migrate northern region Asia America Europe to southern warm places because of the weather.
Very good बहुत बढ़िया ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बस हाँ
They started their journey during autumn and early winter.
शाबाश very good.
And return during spring and early summer.
शाबाश ऐसे तसल्ली से बोल रही है तो अच्छा बोल रही है ना घबराए बिल्कुल मत आराम से बोल घबराना किस बात का है डरना किस बात का आराम से बोल तसल्ली से कोई आफत थोड़ी आ रही बेटा बोल आराम से शाबाश
They were punctual of time if they are delayed because of the wet weather. They face many dangerous and hardships like hills, plains, large stretches of water. Large stretches of water. Sometimes they out of course because of the sudden outbreak out of course because of sudden outbreaks. Sorry, sudden storms. Sudden storm. The light attracts and confuse the light attracts and confuse birds at night.
शाबाश तसल्ली से बिल्कुल आराम से हाँ
Birds' average speed is 48 to 60 km per hour.
शाबाश
And rarely exceeds speed is 80 km per hour.
ठीक है very good शाबाश
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोला कर तसल्ली से। कितना अच्छा बोलने लग गई अब, हड़बड़ाने नहीं बेटा, है ना? हाँ, धीरे धीरे खुल जाएगी। डरना बिल्कुल नहीं, डर निकाल के बाहर फेंक अपना। चलिए, और खुशी बैरवा बेटा बाहर है क्या, ऑफिस में है क्या? खुशी बैरवा, इसके भी कुछ ऑफिस में होगी अभी। मुस्कान और कोमल, नहीं काजल, हाँ मुस्कान बोलो। बाहर है
सर
क्या?
आज नहीं बोलूँ।
क्यों? अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं। काजल, अच्छा 1 मिनट अभी बताता हूँ तुम्हारे को क्या करना है। काजल, हाँ आजा बेटा, काजल आजा आजा। जो लोग अभी मुझे बोल के नहीं सुना रहे हैं, अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग करेंगे, वो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करके मेरे को सेंड करेंगे। ओके, यस, चाहे तो ग्रुप में डाल सकते हैं और चाहे तो मेरे को आईडी पे, मेरी पर्सनल आईडी पे डाल देना। हाँ बेटा काजल आजा बेटा। नाम क्यों नहीं लिखा तूने?
सर
भूल
मैं
गई
भूल
क्या?
गई
तेरे
थी,
बोलने
सॉरी।
का बड़ा चक्कर है अभी से, हैं? चल बोल बोल बेटा।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kajal Meena. Today, my topic is migration of birds. Uh, the greatest mystery of birds is traveling every year. During autumn, they started their journey from northern region of Japan, America, and Asia to southern warmer places.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ऐसे हाँ, फोकस
They
कर
are
बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए बेटा। हाँ
they are punctual, but sometimes because of bad, they delayed because of by bad weather.
बाई की जरूरत ही नहीं ना, अपन ने बिकॉज ऑफ लगा दिया वहां पे। अच्छा बोल रही है, घबराए मत बिल्कुल, तो फोकस कर बस, देखती रहे और बोलती रहे। हाँ, देख का मतलब माइंड में अपने फोकस को चलने दे बस। हाँ
They face many problems. If sorry sir, they face many problems and hardships like overheal forests and plains and large stretches of water and sudden storms. Sometimes the sometimes the at night the bright lights confuse and distract,
डिस्ट्रैक्ट, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
and they can't fly at their fastest and their migration speed is 48 to 64 kilometer per hour,
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ
but rarely uh, their speed exceed 80 kilometers.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा।
They face during migration they faces many problems and they do this every year. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। अब देखो अच्छा हो गया ना, धीरे धीरे कोशिश करते रहो बस। यस, और कोई? और तो कौन हो गए? सब हो गए। खुशी बैरवा, खुशी बैरवा शायद अभी।
यस सर, गुड इवनिंग सर।
आजा बेटा, कहाँ चली जाती है तू? आजा, कैमरा चालू कर। तेरा पॉसिबल है तो कैमरा चालू कर, नहीं तो वैसे बोल। हाँ बेटा बोल।
Today is my topic, migration of birds. Bird migration is when birds travel to find food, shelter and breeding grounds.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ, ऐसे नहीं, मुंह दिखाई नहीं देना चाहिए चलता हुआ तेरा। मैंने पहले ही मना किया ना तेरे को, ऐसे नहीं।
Birds need a lot of energy, food, water and rest.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Rest during migration. Not all migration journeys are successful,
बहुत बढ़िया।
and some birds died during migration.
और फोकस कर बेटा, और फोकस कर, टाइट कर अपने आप को थोड़ा सा अंदर से। हाँ,
These birds fly out to different part of the world
वेरी
in
गुड,
the winter.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। थोड़ा सा फोकस और कर बेटा अभी। हाँ, स्पीड, माइंड की प्रोसेसिंग बढ़ा थोड़ी सी अपनी। हाँ,
These birds have strong wings that help to fly
फ्लाई,
for hours.
हाँ फ्लाई।
Fly for
हाँ
hours.
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा बोलती तो बहुत अच्छा है ये। माइंड की प्रोसेसिंग बढ़ा थोड़ा सा। हाँ बोल।
Many birds are migrate at night because the light from the light that the moon and stars at night help migrating birds chart their courses. They are almost always return home to where they were born. That's it, sir.
छोड़ दे बेटा, इसको ठीक करो बेटा अभी, है ना। हाँ,
हाँ सर, मैंने उस दिन सुना नहीं था ना, परसों और फिर कल थोड़ा सा सुना था
तो
इसलिए।
इस पर राइटिंग करी तुमने?
नहीं सर।
लिखो बेटा, इन पे भी लिखा, लिखो थोड़ा सा। तुम अभी लिखना चालू करो बेटा दोबारा से, एक बार, है ना बेटा। हाँ, एक बार राइटिंग फिर से चालू करो बेटा दोबारा से। अभी स्पीड चाहिए तुम्हारी, बाकी तो सब बढ़िया आते हैं तुम्हारे, पर थोड़ा सा स्पीड चाहिए, थोड़ा फ्लो चाहिए बेटा, है ना। वो थोड़ा राइटिंग करने से ठीक आएगा। चलिए, और कोई है? बाकी जिन्होंने अभी नहीं बोला है वो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग करेंगे, है ना। वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर सकते हैं और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर सकते हैं, और आप मेरी आईडी पे डाल देंगे या ग्रुप में भी डाल सकते हैं। मेरी आईडी पे डाल दो आप, तो क्यों सबको परेशान करो, ठीक है ना। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।